Have you ever looked at the price of an airline ticket and wondered how it could possibly be so high, or so low for that matter? The airline industry is notorious for its seemingly erratic pricing, where a seat on the same flight can fluctuate wildly in cost, depending on a multitude of factors. At the highest end of the spectrum, we find opulent luxury experiences like Etihad Airways The Residence. This exclusive suite, available on select long-haul flights, boasts a private bedroom, living area, and dedicated butler service. A one-way ticket for this airborne penthouse can easily set you back tens of thousands of dollars. On the other end of the spectrum are budget carriers like Ryanair. This Irish airline has built its business model around offering bare-bones fares that often undercut competitors by a significant margin. A quick search might reveal a Ryanair flight from London to Dublin for less than the price of a takeaway meal. This stark contrast in pricing begs the question, how can airlines justify such a wide range of fares? And perhaps even more puzzling, why are some of the most luxurious airlines struggling financially, while budget carriers seem to be raking in profits? The answer, as with most things in life, is complicated. The profitability paradox between luxury and budget airlines lies in their different business models. Full-service airlines like Emirates offer premium experiences with amenities included. These perks come at a cost. Budget airlines operate on a no-frills model, prioritizing efficiency. Ryanair's a la carte pricing keeps base fares low. The price you see when booking a flight is rarely arbitrary. Airlines use sophisticated algorithms to determine fares, taking into account a complex interplay of factors. One key element is demand. As a flight fills up, the remaining seats become more valuable and prices tend to rise. This is why booking in advance is often recommended, although there are no guarantees. Competition also plays a significant role. On routes with multiple carriers vying for passengers, airlines are more likely to offer competitive fares to attract bookings. Conversely, on routes with limited competition, airlines have more leeway to charge higher prices. The time of year, day of the week, and even the time of day can influence ticket prices. Travel during peak seasons like holidays or school breaks will almost always be more expensive due to increased demand. Flying on weekends tends to be pricier than midweek travel, as leisure travelers are more likely to fly then. While there are many theories circulating online about finding the absolute cheapest flights, the reality is that these algorithms are constantly evolving, making it nearly impossible to game the system. While predicting the whims of airline pricing algorithms may seem like a fool's errand, there are some strategies savvy travelers can employ to improve their chances of finding a better deal. Flexibility is key. If your travel dates are flexible, experiment with shifting your departure and return by a day or two. Flying on less popular days like Tuesdays or Wednesdays can often yield lower fares. Consider alternative airports. Flying into a smaller, less congested airport might mean slightly longer travel times to your final destination, but it could also mean significant savings on airfare. Sign up for fare alerts. Many travel websites and airlines offer email notifications that alert you to price drops on routes you're interested in. Be patient and persistent. Finding a great deal on a flight often requires diligence and a bit of luck. Don't be afraid to check prices regularly and compare options across different airlines and booking platforms. The world of airline pricing may seem shrouded in mystery, but by understanding the factors that influence fares and employing a few strategic tips, you can navigate the complex landscape of air travel and increase your chances of finding a deal that fits your budget.